Hi. Do you want to earn money online without working? If your answer is yes, this video is for you. I will show you how to make PayPal money online easily and quickly. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like the video to be notified of new videos. 1. Babata. Babata lets you earn cashback rewards in a few ways, including uploading a photo of your receipt, linking a loyalty account, or shopping online through the app. You can also supercharge your earnings by completing partner offers. Best of all, Babata makes it easy to get the cash back you've earned using the app. You can earn money on Babata by linking store loyalty accounts, making in-store purchases and shopping online. 2. OneQ. OneQ is a free mobile app that is available for both iOS and Android devices. Companies use their platform to send questions to consumers in order to gain information about current market trends. They then use this information to help improve their products and services so that consumers are more satisfied with their purchases. Each time a company asks a question, OneQ is paid, and they give a portion of that money to the user, you. Answering a question can grant you anywhere between 25 cents and 50 cents, and there's no right or wrong answer. Payments are made instantly, no matter how small the amount. You can also donate your proceeds to charity. The great thing about OneQ is that it requires almost no extra effort to earn some cash. Simply leave it installed on your phone, and when a question arises, they'll send you a notification. You can choose to receive questions via text or through their app, and signing up is 100% free. 3. Pieneck research. The idea is simple. The Pieneck research team will invite you to particular surveys that you will answer based on your thoughts and opinions, and they will give you rewards points for completing the task. You can then redeem those points for gift cards, cash, or prizes. It's as simple as that. Think of it like going to Chuck E. Cheese's, but instead of playing games to earn tickets, you complete surveys to earn points. For every survey that you finish, you're going to get around $3 worth of points. Compared to some of the other sites out there, this is double what you'll get paid. 4. Swagbucks. To give you an idea of what SB points are worth, a £5 Amazon gift card will cost you about 850 SB, and you'll need to cough up 18,125 SB for £100 cash. But they accumulate quicker than you might think, simply because there are so many tasks and activities looped into Swagbucks, many of which you probably do already. What's more, Swagbucks often run sales on their rewards, meaning fewer SBs are needed to redeem the vouchers. For example, at the time of writing, £100 of PayPal credit was on offer for 20% off the usual price, at just 14,500 SB. 5. LifePoints. LifePoints is a free online platform with over 5 million members that rewards you for completing surveys and other activities like mini polls, product testing, and behavior tracking. They have paid out over $22 million to their members to date. LifePoints was created by Lightspeed, a global research and analysis firm. It serves as a hub for market research and gives consumers the opportunity to influence the future of products and services by sharing their opinions. Reward rates vary by survey. Some might pay 60 LifePoints while others pay 350. So, how much are LifePoints worth? It depends how you redeem them, but somewhere between 8 and 9 cents each. In simpler terms, you can typically redeem 550 LifePoints for a $5 gift card. 6. Surveys on the go. When you first become a member of Surveys on the Go, don't forget to complete all the demographic surveys that are available. These surveys will help match you with interesting surveys tailored to your interests, and you'll get paid 50 cents for each one you fill out. Make sure to also enable your location services for the app to receive local surveys in your targeted area. Once your account reaches only $10, you can cash out via PayPal. 7. One Opinion. One Opinion is a website that offers you points for taking surveys and giving your opinions on products. You can then redeem these points for cash or reward vouchers. The site is open to users in the US or UK. The points you get from each survey vary. Most members of the site report earning 1,000 points per survey. This accounts for $1 per 20 minutes. All sites mentioned in the video are still valid for 2021 and you can use them without any problems. It's worth attempting surveys on One Opinion even if you feel you may not qualify. This is because you can still earn points for trying. Try to be quick with the surveys, but not too quick. There's a theory that each survey works on a timer. All of the sites I showed you are legit, secure, and really pay you. That's all about the video. Don't forget to like video and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.